Hey there, it's Kathy with Be Creative with Kathy, and I have a really cute project for you, but before I get to that, I want to show you what I've been playing with. I've been playing with some new products from the annual catalog that's coming up. You know, our current catalog goes through May 3rd. The new catalog goes effective May 4th, and as a demonstrator, we get to order some products early so we can play before the catalog comes live. So let me just give you a couple sneak peeks at some stuff I made because I'm in love with this stamp sets and these products. So look at what is, there we go, my camera. Anyway, maybe you didn't see anything, but look and you'll see some new in color. So this is the new Tahitian Tide, I think is what it's called. I'll never get that name right, but look how cute that is. Now I cased this straight out of the Stampin' Up! Catalog. I can't get over how cute his little feet are, but anyway, but look how cute that card is and that stamp set. And then, since I'm from Colorado, I had to make a little Robin Redbreast. Look how cute he is. This is just with some punch art. Now, I think he's going to be the trinket of the month, so if you place an order in April, well, if you always place an order with me, I send you a thank you card. If your order gets up to $50, I send you a little trinket. So this will probably be April's trinket in the mail, and I do send a trinket for every $50, and then when you get up to 10 trinkets I give you a little $50 shopping spree on me. But anyway, that's gonna be the little trinket, so if you placed your order, watch the mail, you'll get one of those in with your thank you card. Okay, and then look at this one. Now here's a cool, really cool background technique that I saw Lindsay Mohan, I can never say her last name. Anyway, Lindsay's a fantastic demonstrator in Canada. And so Monday, I'm going to show you how to do that cool background. But here's another sneak peek. Here's another new in color. Look how pretty that color is. It's got a little purplish blue kind of tint to it. And then this Sending Smiles stamp set and die set is adorable. So just a little eye candy there. Look how cute that is. That's what we'll be making Monday's video. I'll show you how to do this background, which I think is really cool. Okay, that's enough show and tell. Let's get on to our project. So my project today, and no, I'm not even going to show you the finished project until the end. It's the third project for my stamp camp. So if you watch my videos, you know that for stamp camp, we make two projects. Now this is where your packet comes like this, and then we make two cards together, and then I send you a third card, or in this case, it's a little project thing that I made, and we stamp together on Zoom, or I send out a video and you can stamp on your own time and just watch the video. So if you're interested, there's still time to get a packet for Stamp Club, because we don't meet until April, I believe April 20, well shoot, I'll put that in the description because I can't remember the date. But all you have to do is place a $30 order before shipping and tax using the Stamp Club host code, and then I'll know that you want a packet. I'll send you a packet so we can make the two cards, and the little project that I'm making today will come pre-made in your packet too. There you go. There's my anyway, let's move on. So I'm going to start, and if you want the measurements the size of my cardstock, you'll have to go to my blog because I can't remember it either. And it's really basic measurements, so it's not hard to see. But I'm going to start with a piece of basic white here. And I think I'm going to even start with, I can't decide if I want to start, no, I'm going to start with black memento. Oh, and one more thing real quick I want to show you today. So I have two black memento ink pads here. One, I think this one's my new one, and this one's my old one. And I don't know if you can even tell, to me this one's a little bit beat up compared to this one. But one of them needs to be added ink. It needs some more ink, and the other one's pretty inky. So let me grab a piece of scratch paper here, and let me throw a stamp on a block real quick, because I'm going to show you how I re-ink my ink pads. God, huh? I panicked there for a minute, but see how that one's pretty light and this one's pretty dark. So this is the one that needs to be re-inked. I'm going to put this away, but let me show you. Now, this is how I do it. Is it the perfect way? I don't know. It works for me. But I just take my ink pad, and remember, this is memento, so this is a felt ink pad, not like our regular or classic ink pads like this. These are called foam, and this is felt. And if you look at the two, you can tell the difference in the material it's made of. But I have my ink refill here, and I'm gonna just put a lot on there, and you can see how it starts to sink in really fast. and that's how I know that it need to be re-inked. Now I think it's good, sunken really fast. I might have to put more in there. Then I like to take a spoon, especially if I'm going to use it right away. I like to take a spoon and move that ink around. Now maybe the black was the worst one to show you because you can't see the difference, but usually you can see where that ink goes into the ink pad. Look, see how fast it's sinking in there? I think it needed a lot of ink. So let's see if I've over inked it now. So let me tell you, if that happens, if you over ink it, all you have to do is take your scratch paper and just stamp it like this one time. See, now it's not over inked. If it looked really like covered and juicy and bad, that would be over inked. So I'm even going to put one more little thing of ink. I'm going to spread that ink around just because I'm going to use the ink pad right now. But let's see how nice it stamps now. I think it looks a lot better now. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but here I can. So now I feel comfortable. I'm going to throw my spoon in the trash real quick so I don't get black ink everywhere. But I just go to Dollar Tree and buy a big pack of spoons so it doesn't cost a lot of money. And I like how you spread that ink around and then you get, it's ready to go. Like I can use it right now and there's no splotchy parts and you can test it like that. That's how I do my refills. You'll have to let me know how you do your refills. I wonder if we do them the same way. Okay, so you can see here now that I'm going to mount up 3 stamps from this. I'm going to stamp up, today is a, where's the other one here? Kind of Day, and this chocolate. So I'm going to take this chocolate out. I almost forgot about him. And put him here. I'm going to stamp the words, the little font, in black, and I'm going to stamp this chocolate in some Poppy Parade. And while I'm at it, I'm going to get some stamps out of my Ladybug here. I'm going to get these wings and these spots for the wings because I might as well stamp everything at the same time. Okay, so where did my paper go? Back to here. So I'm going to start up here at the top with today. Gosh, I'm really having a bit. Today is a, there we go. Lost it there for a second. I'm back. Today is a, like that. And then we're going to do that chocolate in the Poppy Parade. Nice. And then this one says Kind of Day. I'm going to just stamp that right there. Now, while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and stamp a set of wings. And I think I've told you before that for the Ladybug's wings, I like to stamp, and I have to think, which way do I want to stamp this? I'm going to put it in that way, so I want my point of my wings to go to this side. Yeah. So I'm going to stamp those down like that because I have more luck. And I might have stamped it too low for my punch, but we'll see when I stamp the second part. Let me put this away. Okay, let's get our Ladybugs going, or the wings going here. And like I said before, I have more success lining up the red over the black than I do doing the black over the red. And look how pretty my wings turned out. Let's see if I stamped them too low. Nope, look, it turned out just right too. Nice vibrant colors. There we go. So now I have a set of wings because I'll need those too. Okay, then I'm going to bring in, and it looks like I don't have enough blocks here. I'm going to have to wash a stamp set or two. So I just got my chamois here. Let's wash this one. And then while I'm at it, I might as well wash this one too. Okay. There, now we got them all clean. And I'm going to take those little flowers and mount those on the block. And I have some crushed curry here. I'm going to start with those and just put it right down here in the corner. Yay, look how nice that turned out. Then with some garden green, going to bring in that great big leaf. ink that up in the garden green. I'm going to practice once with him. He's a pretty big stamp, and I don't think I have him near. Nope, looky there. Let's ink him up again. Maybe if I go this route. There we go. Now he's got a lot of ink on there. So I'm going to place the tip of the leaf in between these two flowers right here and just kind of angle it about like that. I'm going to let that ink sink in because that's a nice big solid image. And looky there, there's our leaf. And then around the leaf, I'm going to go ahead and stamp some more of those little flowers. Like that. Then another piece of the stamp set is that the little inside of this flower. So let me take it. And then I'm going to just stamp the inside of those big flowers like this. Look how cute that is, right? Okay, so one more thing I want to show you is this is the subtle shimmer paper. It comes in that pink, and the catalog says blue, but if you watch my videos, you know it's really this shimmery, beautiful white, like an iridescent white. I'm going to punch out one set of leaves with that, just to show you my two final projects. Oh, I'm going to just finish one of them today. So I'm going to take this piece of basic white that we stamped on, and I'm going to add it to a piece of Poppy Parade that's just 1/4 of an inch bigger. And like I said, if you need those measurements, you have to go to my blog, becreativewithkathy.com, and the measurements will be on there. But look, now it has that nice Poppy Parade border, and then I'm going to bring in I know this one is a 1/4 sheet of black, so this is 5 1/4. Nope, 5 1/2 by 4 1/4, because like I said, it's just a 1/4 sheet of a full piece of paper, and I'm going to lay the black right on there. So now my card says today is a chocolate kind of day, but then look what I found at the store. So I found these little chocolates. Let me open them up so you can see them. I should have done that before. But look how cute. They have the little ladybugs and the little bumblebees. So with just a simple glue dot, I'm going to take my little wing here, and right in the center of those wings, right, with my glue dot. And then on the bumblebee, I'm going to just put, and I'm going to kind of curve it a little bit, put my little wings on my little bumblebee, and then take my little ladybug wings. And put that on that little ladybug chocolate. And then look how cute. All I have to do is add my little chocolate ladybug or my little chocolate bumblebee. And then I think if you just leave this on a coworker's desk, or have your kids leave it on a teacher's desk, I think that would be a cute, really simple gift. So to add my chocolate, because I don't want to touch the inside, I don't want to damage any of the wrapping, I'm going to just take a glue dot here, and I'm going to use my Take a Pick tool. And I'm going to just lay a glue dot right here. Well, in fact, I'm going to lay 3 of them. It stuck to my finger. No, it's a sticky glue dot. He's not very cooperative. There we go. But I'm going to lay 3 of them right here on my paper. Look, that was a good boy glue dot. He went right on the paper. So then I can just take and put my candy right on there. I don't have to touch the candy. It's still perfectly wrapped. And it just sits right there. And look how cute that is. So there's my project today. Like I said, this is the 3rd project in my stamp club. If you're interested in getting a stamp club packet, which includes those 2 other cards I showed you with the packet, all you have to do is place a $30 order using April's Stamp Club host code, and I'll send you the 3 projects, 2 that we'll make together on Zoom, or like I said, you could make it at your own pace with a video. that's what I have for you today. I hope you'll give a little chocolate to a friend. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back here Monday when I show you how to make that brick background technique. Thanks a bunch. Bye-bye.